If removing it creates deficiency, restoring it reverses that state, and nearly all living systems rely on it, how is this not already classified as a vitamin? When research shifted from animals to humans, the same pattern emerged. Removing PQQ altered metabolism, reintroducing it restored balance. In small controlled studies, supplementation produced measurable physiological changes, even at modest doses, typically 10 to 20 milligrams per day. In one randomized double blind trial, adults taking PQQ daily showed reduced inflammation, along with shifts in metabolites linked to oxidative energy production. These changes pointed to improved mitochondrial efficiency, mirroring what had already been seen in animal models. In older adults, a separate placebo controlled study found that 20 milligrams per day enhanced cognitive performance and increased regional cerebral blood flow, especially in areas tied to attention and memory. The strongest improvements were seen in those starting with the lowest baseline function, suggesting PQQ's benefits may be most apparent when metabolism is already under stress. Beyond the brain, its effects extend to the gut and peripheral metabolism. Exposure increases the expression of tight junction proteins in intestinal tissue, strengthening barrier integrity, and it has been shown to raise butyrate levels, interestingly enough. That's a short chain fatty acid that's very important for gut and brain health. Taken together, these findings frame PQQ not as a stimulant, but as a metabolic stabilizer, a compound that supports mitochondrial function, lowers oxidative load, and helps restore the cellular communication that tends to fade with age. What makes PQQ unusual isn't just what it does, it's how little of it takes to do it. Most antioxidants work by donating an electron once and then burning out. PQQ is different. It can transfer electrons hundreds or even thousands of times without breaking down, allowing it to keep recycling within the cell. Inside mitochondria, PQQ interacts with enzymes that help regenerate NAD+. That's one of the cell's primary energy currencies. By keeping NAD+ levels higher, it indirectly supports the activity of longevity proteins that trigger mitochondrial growth and repair.